Hey everyone, Token Dave over here. Dorky token black guy who's just trying to get by. Alright y'all, so I just got home and I was told that a package came, and this package could be Godzilla, King of the Monsters. So, let's see. Mail, other mail. Hold up. TV guide, full preview. I didn't know they still made these anymore. Oh. Amazon package. All right. So, let's get this. Oh, boy. Yeah. Real smooth, y'all. So, yeah, the joys of living in New York City in an apartment, trying to do a live video like this. Luckily, I live on the second floor, so. Let's see. I'm home, but give me a second, y'all. There might be people there. You know. Oh, boy. Yeah, I know. Hey, remember Bell with the Menace? Yeah. So, okay. Please tell me the box cutter is here. Please tell me the box cutter is here. Yes. All right. Alrighty, everyone. Oh, shut up, Mello. Yeah, my room is actually a wreck, and I did laundry the other night, and practically everything. Yeah, I did laundry the other night, and I didn't hang my clothes yet, so I'm just gonna place them right here. And all right, so let's open up this bad boy. So place this right here. Hopefully this holds. All right. Yeah, don't have anything closer. All right, guys. So we'll roll it. Let's see if it's in. It's in. I got it. Yes. All right. So you know what I want to do the rest of the night, huh? Did you got any G fans watching? Did you get your copy? Please share your excitement down in the comments below. Give me a like. Follow me on Facebook at Token Dave, or on Twitter and Instagram at TokenDave80. Subscribe. Ring that bell so you know when a new video loads. And I'm about to pop this bad boy in. Long live the king.